Hello dear, how are you? In this video we are going to see that how to clear cookies and cache of WebView in Android programmatically. So completely tutorial is based on Android Studio 4.0 and Java. So as per the Android guideline, upgrade your Studio to Android 4.0 or the latest update whatever is available. And in this video we are going to use view binding to replace the find view by ID. So let's start. How to clear cookies and cache of WebView in Android programmatically. So go to Android Studio, new project, Android Studio 4.0 and empty activity. For the view binding, we are going to add view binding enable equals to true inside the build.gradle file. Design our screen with the one WebView, and cookies are offline file which supports to get faster loader of the any website and the WebView. So many times it is with the larger amount of memory. So how to clear the cookies of the WebView inside Android programmatically we are going to see. So we will try to add that types of cookie on load URL with the particular URL inside the WebView, and these are the three cases. First time when we load the site, first time cookies are null. After that when we second time we load the site, that you can see that you can watch inside the log there are cookies are storage inside the particular app. So go to Android Studio, go to file and new, then new project, go to empty activity, click on next. Just type the name whatever you want to write. Just type demo cc, it's clear cookies, then click on finish. After that just go to build.gradle file. Inside that we need to write view binding, then enabled equals to true. So make sure your internet connection should be on. Click on sync now. So after the completion of the capabilities or Gradle process will be finished, we have capabilities of view binding. So we don't have to write find view by IDs for all the components. So the view binding code, it is very easy. Activity main binding, it is automatically generated class. Just we make the instance for that, and binding equals to activity main binding dot inflat, then write get layout inflator. After that just write binding dot get root. Okay, so binding dot get root. So our main activity task for the view binding it is finished, and we are going to use WebView, so we are going to use uses permission of internet inside the Android manifest.xml file. So I close Android manifest.xml file and going to design this screen. So I am going to design this screen with the WebView, give the ID my web view. Okay, there is no need for the text, so just I close this one, and width will be match parent and height will be match parent. So you can see inside the split screen there is one only web view, its ID my web view. Just I close this activity underscore main file and write the coding inside the main activity. So I write binding dot my web view dot set web view client new space and control space. So after that if you want to load binding dot my web view dot load URL, then you can write the load URL whatever the thing is there. So one more thing, if sometimes error has been come to error 403 for the disallowed user agent, so just for that just I write get settings. This line is optional. If the someone has error, then only for that then just I write Chrome. Okay, Chrome, then whatever the version of Chrome you want to use, it is for the mobile. So it's optional line only for error. Okay, 40, 3. So let's see what happens with this one. But before that, we want to write the string cookies with the double quote. First initialize this one, and after that we want to write initialize the cookies equals to cookie manager is there. Okay, then from the cookie manager you can get the instance for that, then get cookies, then just write whatever the URL you want to type. After that, just I type log.d. First I write cookies before clear. So on the first run, let's see what happened. After that, just cookies plus double quote. It is for the automatic type promotion only. So we will see what happens with this one. Just press Shift F10. You know how to watch the log. Go to logcat, and over here you can see the log for the show only activity. Click on verbose, and currently this one demo cc is here, whatever the current project. And with this name, if you want to find certain thing, then just write cookies. So on the first run you can see cookies before clear, it is null. Why it is null? Because the site is launching first time. So if on the second run, if we surf the site, the cookies will be loaded. So let's see. Just we visit the site, all the faster storage for the next time it will be loaded. So let's see and surf up to the end. On the second time run, we will not get this null value. So press Shift F10, and let's see. On the second time run of this project, we will get the values instead of null. So just mind well, see this one, the cookies. Over here we can see this one, how to watch whatever the cookies are storage for this particular site. So particular our program, we need to resolve or clear the cookies. So just I write one method public. If you want to access it from another, then you can write also static void and clear cookies. After that, mind well, we are going to work within greater than lollipop version. So I don't want to write the code for older version currently right now. Cookie manager dot get instance dot remove all cookies. So all the cookies of this particular web view will be removed. So cookie manager dot get instance dot plus all those things. Just I want to call currently, just call this method clear cookies and copy paste these cookies, whatever the string we have. So before clear, and we want to type after clear. So after this method will be called, we want to see what happened with this one. You can see currently before clear the value is here. So just I press Shift F10 to run this practical. This practical result is totally based on logcat. So let's see what happened with this one. So cookies, whatever the values will be there. See the cookies before clear. We have these cookies before clear and cookies after clear. Currently all the cookies are removed or the clear the cache. So very easy thing you can see over here. So cookies before clear and cookies after clear. So how to remove or how to flush the cookies of WebView client inside Android. So how to clear cookies and cache memory of WebView in Android programmatically, we have finished the tutorial. So thanks for watching. Share your ideas and like this video, share with your friends, subscribe this channel. Keep coding, keep learning. Thank you. Thank you very much.